Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the F15 error code on your Kenmore oven, especially the 2025 models, you're in the right place. This pesky error can really throw a wrench in your cooking plans, but don't worry. I'm here to break it down step by step so you can get your oven back up and running quickly. First off, let's talk about what this error means. The F15 code typically signals an issue with the oven's temperature sensor or the control board. It could be as simple as a loose wire or something more serious like a faulty sensor that's not reading temperatures accurately. This is common in Kenmore ovens and often pops up after years of use or due to power surges. Now, before we dive into fixes, safety first. Always unplug your oven to avoid any electrical risks. Alright, let's troubleshoot. Start by inspecting the sensor. It's usually located at the back of the oven cavity. Carefully remove the back panel if you're comfortable, and check for any visible damage, corrosion, or loose connections. If everything looks okay, you might need to test the sensor with a multimeter. A reading outside the normal range, like not around 1000 to 1100 ohms at room temperature, means it's probably bad and needs replacement. You can find replacement parts online or at appliance stores. Make sure to get one compatible with your 2025 Kenmore model. If you're not handy with tools, this is a great time to call in a professional technician to handle it for you. Another potential cause is the control board itself, which might require more advanced diagnostics. To prevent this error in the future, keep your oven clean, avoid slamming the door, and consider using a surge protector. Fixing this yourself could save you time and money, but remember, if you're unsure at any point, it's better to seek help. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe and happy cooking.